In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Schedule Export Wizard in Salesforce to set up automatic data exports. This is an essential task if you're looking to manage your data efficiently and ensure that you have regular backups of all your important information. Let's dive right into this step-by-step guide. First, you'll want to navigate to your Salesforce instance. Once you're there, look for the setup icon, which is represented by a small gear at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this will open a menu where you can access all your configuration options. With the menu open, you'll see a quick find box or search bar on the left side of the screen. Type data export into this box and then select it from the list of results. This will direct you to the data export page within Salesforce. On this page, you'll notice an option called Data Export under the Data section. Click on it. Doing this will bring up the options related to your data exports, including manual and scheduled exports. For our purposes today, we are focusing on scheduled exports, so go ahead and select Schedule Export. Now it's time to configure the export schedule. Here you can determine exactly when and how often you want the exports to occur. First, you'll choose the frequency. Salesforce offers options like weekly or monthly, allowing flexibility depending on your needs. If your data changes frequently, a weekly export might be ideal. Conversely, if changes are minimal, you might opt for monthly exports instead. Once you've set the frequency, you'll need to decide on a start date for your scheduled exports. Choose a date that makes sense for your business needs and aligns with any reporting periods you might have. Similarly, setting an end date is crucial if you're scheduling exports for a specific project or time frame. Next, consider the time of day you'd like these exports to run. You can specify an exact time, which is perfect if you want this process to occur outside of business hours to avoid any potential system performance impacts during peak work times. The next step involves selecting what data you'd like to export. Salesforce allows you to be quite specific here. You can choose individual objects and fields to include, ensuring that you're only exporting the data you really need. Alternatively, you have the option to select Include All Data, which will create a comprehensive backup of everything in your system. Once you've decided on these details, it's time to click Save. By doing so, you finalize your schedule, and Salesforce will now handle these data exports automatically based on the parameters you've set. And there you have it, you've just set up scheduled data exports in Salesforce using the Schedule Export Wizard. This process will help keep your data management practices efficient, all while ensuring regular backups are handled without manual intervention. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.